My name is Philippe Patisserie. I'm the executive pastry chef for Philippe Patisserie. I decided to go with a zombie team because I'm a big fan of the show Walking Dead. So we started Galadia with all my team. We decide what to do, which kind of piece, and we start by the end of May, beginning of June, to start the process to create all the showpiece. It's just crystallized chocolate. So until, like in this room, it's not too cold, not too hot. Until you have the right temperature, it's fine. And plus in Bellagio area, we have the air conditioning. Plus chocolate with time crystallize more and become harder. So we didn't have issue for the past 17 years. I hope everything will be fine. All the showpiece you see around me will be some in Bellagio, some Aria. The big guy and the skeleton will be Aria, and the zombie showgirl will be at Bellagio. Halloween is very popular in America, and I like it. And you can go crazy. And actually, I think this year we went crazy. So I think, yes, it's one of my favorite ones.